Let's take these emojis, throw them into Google Translate 100 times, and see what completely random stuff come out, starting with relieved face. So I typed in the name, set it to 100 translations, hit go, and waited. And we got cactus. First thing I did was give the whole emoji that dusty cactus green, then layered on a texture so it actually looks like a plant and not just a green circle. Then, you can't have a cartoon cactus without arms, so I gave it two stubby ones, one on each side. Kind of adorable, honestly. Now, a cactus needs to be somewhere, so I added a little pot underneath, threw on some thorns, and just like that, we have relieved cactus. Okay, next one, pizza. After 100 translations, became shark. What? That sounds impossible, but I had to do it. So I painted some ocean waves as the base, took our pizza, rotated it so it's sticking up out of the water like a fin, pulled off the dripping cheese from it. Then I used puppet work to sculpt it into a proper, sharp, angled fin shape, and then added cheese back hanging off the sides. Pizza shark. He's out there. Be careful. Now, the next one, this is where it got tricky. Loudly crying face translated 100 times, and we got bathroom. I changed the emoji's color, slapped on a tile texture across the face so it looks like a bathroom wall. Already starting to feel right. Then I ripped out the eyes and eyebrows completely and put water taps in their place. So now those tear streams? Not tears anymore, just water running from faucets. Same visual, totally different vibe. Added the shadows. But then I ran into a problem. The taps looked great as taps, but they didn't read as eyes anymore. The whole face was getting lost. So I reshaped the nozzle openings to kind of mimic the crying eye shape. And weirdly enough, it works. You see both at once. Mouth became a wheel handle, like the kind you twist for hot water. Thickened the edges to look like lips, colored this part white so it suggests teeth. Then I painted those diagonal shine streaks you get on clean tiles, and that's what pulled the whole thing together. Oh, and I also made a version with the original yellow colors. Let me know in the comments which one you like more. So that's 3 done, 3 to go. And honestly, from here they get way more interesting. Fire. 100 translations. Result, forest. So I outlined 3 different tree shapes, filled each one with slightly different greens so they actually look like different species and not just copy-pasted. For the fire's glowing core, I turned that into a flowering bush. And right at the tip, I put lavenders, my girlfriend's favorite flower. Yeah, I snuck that in. Little color tweak to make everything feel unified and forest fire emoji. Done. I'm honestly proud of this one. But the next one, this is where I had the most fun. Clown face. 100 translations. Result, house. So for this, I built the base house shape first, the basic structure. Placed the eyes with highlights so they still look alive. Then I added wild clown hairs instead of roof, and then painted shadows. Red nose stayed pretty much as is. Now here's the part I really liked for the mouth. I used a door shape. So the clown's big open mouth is literally the front door of the house. The blush circles became round windows. Same position on the cheeks, just framed like windows. Then I added front steps leading up to the mouth door, a couple of bushes on either side, and then 2 little pillars of the entrance, same as the original house emoji. Clown house. Adorable and unsettling in equal measure. Done. 1 left. Red heart. 100 translations. It became Earth. Out of all the random nonsense Google Translate gave me today, pizza becoming shark, a clown becoming a house, this is the one that actually feels kind of poetic. I just recolored the heart ocean blue, then started painting in land masses. Africa and Asia first, then the Americas on the other side, Antarctica along the bottom edge. Shadows and highlights to give it that round, planetary feel. And that's it. No tricks, no workarounds. Just a heart-shaped Earth. Love the planet. Google Translate is genuinely unhinged, and I kinda love it for that. If you liked this video, you should check out these as well. See you in the next one.